This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 345 RLTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 38 feet 10 inches in length and features microwave, leveling jacks, air conditioning, water heater, oven, smoke detector, refrigerator, TV, LP detector, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 345 RLTS is 10,275 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.